Okay guys, this is 2016 Rav 4 fuse box. Customer put a jumper wire backwards, run the 140 amp fuse. This is the main body, upper part. This is the main body, lower part. This is how it goes. Lower body, top body, and that's your fuse panel. You can see that 140 amp fuse broken, damaged. In order to get to those two holes, you need to take everything apart. Okay, that is the 140 amp alternator fuse burned because the battery was dead and customer put the jumper cables backward, burned a lot of fuses. Pain in the neck. Next time, careful when you hook up your jumper cables. Okay, again, it's like open heart surgery. Everything is loose. Even the computer has to come out. Okay. Thank you.